Prepping, cooking, and serving are usually carried out by different utensils, but today we're going to do what others can't with BesoVida. It's made of food-grade silicone, acid and alkaline resistant, toxin-free and recyclable. BesoVida contains ionic silver particles, effectively suppressing 99.99% of bacterial growth. It can endure as low as -22 degrees, easily stackable so you can store all your meals ready in one place. It's a cookware and utensil, a tableware. It's also heat resistant enough to be used in an oven up to 392 degrees. The thickened wall provides better heat insulation. It's safe to hold with just bare hands, even after a couple minutes of microwaving. BesoVida can take on any kitchen roll you throw at it. The material is free of BPA, BPS, lead, and other harmful chemicals, with a wide color spectrum ranging from low-key to eye-poppin'. It's perfectly presentable on any table settings. Invite your friends over and get the party started. Anti-static coating prevents dust and debris from sticking. The ergonomic curve fits in your palm like it's meant to be there. It's everything you ever want in a container. It is BesoVida.